So you need to replace one of your turn signal bulbs, and you're not sure which one it is. When you put your left signal on, in my case, I've got your regular speed flash. When I go to the right signal, it's going double time. And that's an indicator that one of your bulbs is out. That's why they do that. So I'll show you how you see which one it is. First, we're gonna go on left. And I already know that this is in the back. We're gonna go on over here. And you can see there's two lights flashing, the bottom and the top. So when I go to the right, the one that was not flashing at the appropriate speed, it's flashing double time. We're going to come over and take a look. And you can see just the top bulb is going. There is no bottom light flashing, so that's the bulb that needs to be replaced. So I went and got from the Ford dealership my right rear taillight bulb, which is probably going to be the same as the upper and the two on the left, but I made sure I told them what bulb it is and they gave me my replacement. So now we need to swap out the bulb. So you know you need to replace this taillight bulb, and you went ahead and got the bulb that you need. So now what do you do? How do you do it? It's really quick, really easy, and I'll walk you through it. First, we need to get behind this light housing, and to do that we're going to remove these two bolts so we can slide it out. These two bolts are a 5/16. There's one. There's two. Now that you've removed your two bolts, we need to pull out the tail light housing. So to do that, we're going to slightly move this over and then work this back. Pull it straight back, like so. And the reason you want to pull it back like that is, see, you've got these two inserts here, and so you don't want to bend this out. What you want to do is, once you remove this off, you want to pull it straight back. Okay, so we know it's the bottom bulb we want to replace. So this is how your tail light sits in. We bring it out and we want to remove this bottom bulb. So to do that, we just turn this, pull it out, and get to this bulb right here. From here, I'm just going to set this down. We need to pull this bulb out, and it comes out just like that. Then we're going to carefully grab our other bulb, and we'll take and insert our replacement bulb like so. And I'm just being careful. It goes in pretty easy. It just took my time. All right. We're going to put this one back in the slot where it goes. Turning it left, putting it in, and turning it back right till it clicks back into place. Okay, now that our bulb is replaced, we're going to slide this back in the same way we pulled it out, lining up all the tabs with each other, and just popping it back in. Like that. As you can see, it's right back where it needs to be. Now, if you want, you can check this before you bolt it back down, but it only takes a minute to put these in, so I'm going to go ahead and just put them in and then show you that it's done. Just snug it. Doesn't need to be too tight. All right, and I'm gonna go turn it on. Let's check it out. So you remember before when we turned left with the left signal, it was regular tempo, but right was very quick. Now it corrected itself and now it's back to normal pace. So let's look at the back. And there we go. They're both on. Everything's working, and it only takes a couple minutes to make this repair and replacement yourself. Hope you guys found this helpful and informative. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.